Thanks for tuning in. Should be exciting. We'll be doing some fun stuff, some cool stuff. The good news is our buddy William Spencer is in town, and he's going to be our first guest today.
Alrighty, dude.
What's up, buddy? How's it going? It's been a long time no see.
Hey, thanks for having me, dude. I'm psyched, actually.
Cool. For those that aren't too familiar with the William Spencer, what is who is William Spencer that we need to know about?
I love that. Okay, so let me run you through. Why should you care? Let me see here. Okay, so you guys, I've been skateboarding for many years. I had a video part many years ago called Colorado that kind of went viral when, you know, videos were just first starting to be put on YouTube, which was a cool kind of thing to happen because it was really surprising to me. So that was sort of my jumping off point that like kind of got me into skateboarding, getting motivated to like do stuff in the magazine, trying to get photos and all the things. And then from there, I kept making video parts, but actually Andrew Garfield found me for my video parts, believe it or not. And when they were making the new Spider-Man movie, the Amazing Spider-Man movie, many years ago now, a friend of mine, Ilram Choi, had basically invited me to, you know, audition, and I was in Colorado filming a skateboard video instead of being in Hollywood where I probably should have been. Anyways, all that to say, after I missed the audition, Andrew Garfield found me through my skateboard videos and got me on those movies. So you might know me from the Amazing Spider-Man stunt doubling, the skateboard stuff in those movies. And then also I just started regular kind of stunt doubling Andrew in that movie and the next one, and then in No Way Home. So I'm sort of that mid guy, you know, like I skateboard, I do stunt work, I act, I do Spider-Man stuff, and I like to get really creative.
Yeah, skateboarding is pretty cool. Stunt work is really cool.
Yeah.
You know what? I forgive me. You want something to drink?
Yeah.
What would you like?
Coca-Cola is good.
Right.
Yeah, you got some.
Or you mean a cola?
Oh, I would love a cola. A very
let's get you
non-branded.
Not yet. Not for free.
For free cola.
Not for free.
Yeah, dude, I think there's something really cool about the crossover between skateboarding and stunt work is because nothing I would say that I've run into, you know, and I know a lot of stunt people from a lot of different backgrounds, right? Like all the gymnasts, like guys who ride dirt bikes, motorcycles. Yeah, there you go. Hide it.
So they don't see the branding.
Definitely not. Sneaky. But all that to say, I think skateboarding, guys, really prepared me for stunt work in taking slams. And like the amount of slams one takes, you know, is that it's pretty normal because a lot of people, thank you, dude. A lot of people in skateboarding, we all, but a lot of people in skateboarding take horrific slams and then get up and still do the trick. And in stunt world, people pay you to get murdered. And a lot of times there's only a certain amount that you'll do.
Yeah. I grew up watching Fall Guys.
Sure, I've seen the original. When I was a kid, you know, I definitely watched it. I haven't currently though, like, you know, looked it up on Tubi or wherever to like get back in there.
Yeah, no, that was a cool show. And we have an actual stuntman here, which is pretty cool.
Dude, isn't that funny? Because, you know, when I was a kid, I was kind of interested in martial arts and interested generally in like jumping out of trees and much more before like parkour and stuff existed.
I'm gonna get myself something too. Keep
Do
going.
it, dude.
I'm listening.
Well, no, all that to say, it's just interesting to like feel like, hey, I'm interested in this. It's probably going nowhere. And then one day they're like, so listen, you skateboard, you jump off stuff, you like to take slant. And then they're like, so we have a job for that. You know, it's just cool.
Mm-hmm. Cheers.
Cheers, dude. That stuff actually became useful later, you know? Because you're just jumping off a garage. You're like, I don't know, maybe. So it's rad. It's like, I'm surprised that it's worked out like that, you know?
I grabbed the wrong can. Well, I guess I'm stuck. What are
you drinking?
What is this?
Deeply dislike, it turns out.
Well, I mean, it's a adult beverage of some sort. But that's not what I wanted. I wanted to get a yerba mate.
Bummer.
This is just gonna have
deep.
To be,
about to get
I was
crazy.
like, wow, this is gonna look like he's drinking beer.
Yeah.
Well, it is.
You're like, mistake gone correct.
Oh well, I poured it. Like, you got your style of skateboarding, but I don't know what it was. that brought it up, but I was watching something and came across that Nada spin, the famous Nada spin, with the street sign. Was that a street sign or was that a stop sign? No, it was a street sign, wasn't it?
You know what's funny? Because I've watched that. Because who hasn't? I've watched that clip many, many times. And the quality of footage, right, a little bit older, whatever else. But I don't remember the details of it. But what's his height to when he's on top of the Nada spin, and I just know that he can grab it, but also not hit his head on the sign. So he ollies in, and he's so seamless about the ollie in and grab that you barely notice it. Like if you don't, a lot of people actually remember that clip differently. You know?
So why it stood out is like I was thinking, how cool would it be if instead of a stop sign or street sign or whatever it is, we used a blunt steel rail, and we posted
that way I can get momentum off of that.
So we posted up next to a fire hydrant. This will be our simulated fire hydrant.
Love it. Get it in there.
And then we'll have the blunt steel rail.
Yeah.
But to make it even more blunt steel,
here, I'll hold it.
To make it even more blunt steely, we'll get another rail and put it. You know how the fire hydrants have those I don't know if they're the spouts or whatever.
The thing that they twist off to hook the hose into.
We hook it up to that.
Okay.
And then you grind up it, do the Nada spin, and then you come back down it.
And we'll just put the pole wherever is the easiest to reach, kind of.
Yeah, because we haven't done that. Miles, we had one blunt steel rail on one side, and then on the opposite spout side there was another rail, and he grinded the other side, which is cool. But I don't think anyone's done any kind of Nada spin stuff.
Sick.
And that's kind of what
I think that is more in the realm that I really like. Yeah.
And that's right down your alley.
Yeah, I like that. I'm excited about that, dude, because there is something so satisfying about the grind up, keeping your balance just right and actually getting that grind back out, because like with a Nada spin, sometimes if you've noticed, even when people are really good at them, they just come out where they come out.
Yeah.
I think it'll be cool to spin and aim back for the rail.
You have to have a target.
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Okay, let's do it. Let's get out of here. Take off your little hosty jacket.
Yeah, I'm done hosting. Now we got to start fabricating. We can go first.
All right, thank you, sir.
I think first step is to grab the hydrant. Let's go grab it.
Oh man, that is a legitimate fire hydrant, huh?
No, it is a fire hydrant.
Where did you get this thing?
This.
Good Lord.
We got this.
Wow, we should put it on our board. Yeah, where did you get it?
Transworld.
They did.
The Transworld TF, when they went out of business and they got bought.
This was in their park.
This is in the park.
Because I've done a trick on this before in a video in there.
Oh, tons of people have done tricks on this.
I know, but it's just that if you see it, we'll show the clip, but you'll laugh when you see. I played jump rope on this. I think I popped in, swung my board, and then jump rope over it, threw it back in, shove, and then came out. This is the same one?
That's the one.
Wow.
Ortiz, he's like, dude, come and grab. They're just going to throw this away. They were going to throw everything away. All right, don't worry about breaking your back. I'm going to get a. Let me get a.
Yeah, but it might be hilarious to just watch me try this. Come on, audience, watch. That could be worse, Dang, that thing is so sturdy, dude. Good grief. What? That screws in tighter? That's sick. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, God.
Is that somewhat sturdy?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's okay-ish. Hey, where's the best spot for this, you think?
Yeah, just throw it.
Here-ish?
Lay it down anywhere, yeah.
I just want to make sure we're in proximity to because moving this baby is super fun.
Okay. So I think it's something like this. We will have one rail go into this guy right here. Grind up it. Boom. Nodus. Get out. Put a sleeve right here that this will slide over. This should work. If anything, I could probably even put another. We can do another piece. That's what we'll do. And I think I have a remnant piece over here. Oh, look, I'm so bad I don't have my safety equipment on.
I don't know, but I'm psyched that rail just wanted to balance.
I got to put on my ironclad gloves. Thanks again, Ironclad, for always taking care of my hands. And now my new hookup is these guys. Spy Optics. Thank you, Spy, for taking care of my eyes. We'll go out here and get that piece that I was talking about. This will make the plate more rigid. It'll be something like this. Yeah, I think this will be better. And I will weld a sleeve onto this. Put it right there. We'll weld this onto the plate. This will be super rigid. This won't move. And then we'll have a Nada setup.
Yeah, I feel like that's a good distance between the top of the fire hydrant and the grab for the pole to make it a little seamless.
And then we just got to figure out where we're going to leave this setup. But yeah, Satan backwards. This will be it. Cool. It doesn't have to be perfect, so we don't have to have it like super square. So that was real simple. And now it's just time to weld this plate, this flat bar to the plate. And then we'll have the fire hydrant just meet up right up on this. Sounds good?
To get ready to do the trick. We're pretty much almost done here.
That's it.
That was fast.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's it. This is not gonna teeter totter. The plate isn't gonna flex much with the weight of the fire hydrant.
Yeah.
Let's go take this out there and see how. Yeah, set it up. I mean,
Yeah.
all right. Oh, this is pretty heavy on its own. I don't think any of this stuff is gonna move. And then another cool thing about these sunglasses, no, they're not sunglasses, they're safety glasses, ANSI rated. But you come out in the sun hits it. Obviously, I close my eyes, but I don't know if you can see it get darker.
Full sunglass, man.
So it's cool to be able to work in the shop with the safety glasses, and then just come straight out here and now have sunglasses. Hey, well, this is going to be your thing. Where do you want to put it? What do you think about right there? I got it. I think that's it. Dude. I'll grab the rail. Oh, and we'll use the Whoozy Wutsy. The Whoozy Wutsy is the one that's the lowest to the ground. It's not going to have as big of a kink in the front to get on. Put that in there. We'll use ratchet straps to pull this into here. We'll wrap it around. Make sure it doesn't move. But theoretically, this should work. Got the straps are on. This is not coming out.
Yeah, dude.
Let's try it.
Yeah. Get this party going. I like that it's both exciting and slightly scary. You know? I like that. Oh, that was so good, but my weight was off. Okay. Here we go. Boost. All right, that could have been way worse. Freaking. Up there. You see the rail coming around and the corner. Freaking dibble dabble in there. Just go. Oh no! You're up there. Got you caught. Boom, you're out of here. Boom. Okay. Sit out. Hey.
Count it. Yes. Oh, even better. I don't know. You crooked out of it.
Yeah. It's because I was like, that's it, dude.
That was insane.
I keep hooking that I was like, maybe that's the answer.
Yeah,
is if your back truck never does it,
this gap was.
you can just go boom.
He did it. He did it. Sun is below the trees, but he did it. That was.
You
tight.
give me 6 days.
You can do anything. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Comment below what you want to see next. Thanks again.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching my episode. Really appreciate it.
Yeah.